Well, hello beautiful peoples, and welcome to gingerbread popcorn, the first of all our Christmas recipes. Alright, this is going to be a cracker, so we're going to get straight into it. So first thing you got to do is you have to cook up 180 grams of popcorn kernels. Now if you haven't cooked popcorn before, just look back on a video. I've got a video for beginners for cooking popcorn. Alright, so 180 grams works out to 12 cups of popcorn. So once you cook your popcorn, you got that ready. The next thing you're going to do is you've got to preheat your oven at 150 degrees Celsius. You've got to get yourself 2 trays, alright, line them with baking paper and get them ready to go. Now, in a saucepan, we have, I'll write the recipe below as always for you guys to make it easier. 150 grams of butter, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of golden syrup, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, and a pinch of ground cloves. Now I mean just a little pinch and put it in. You don't need much of the cloves or you'll stuff it up. Okay, so what you want to do next is you want to put it on low heat, and we want to melt it all down until we can't hear the sugar anymore. The sugar is totally melted. Once it's totally melted, we want to put it on medium heat until it starts to boil. When it starts to boil, constantly stir it for 5 minutes until it's a dark golden brown, and then we're ready to go. After constantly stirring, let's see if you can see that. Alright, constantly stirring for 5 minutes, and this is exactly how you want it to look. She's still boiling away. Okay. Next thing we do is we get your popcorn. You spread it out all over it. You got to do this reasonably quick. And be very careful, this shit will burn you. It will scald you. Alright, pour it on. Get as much out as you can. Oh mate. And you have to do this pretty quick because you don't want it to set on you. Oh, that's awesome. Alright. Get yourself a spoon. Mix it all through. Just keep going until you can see the whole thing's covered in it. Takes a red hot minute. Just remember, it's scalding hot. It's like toffee. Oh, it smells like gingerbread. This is so cool. Alright, so this lasts up to 4 days in airtight container at room temperature. So put it in an airtight container and chuck it in the cupboard. Or put it in those fancy little plastic cone things. Make sure that they're tied off properly. And yeah, 4 days you got. So if you want to make it, say 2 days ahead of whatever party or whatever you can. I usually make it the day before anything. Alright, now that looks pretty covered to me. Okay, once you've done that, grab your first tray. Alright, you want to put half on each tray. Excuse me, I'm going to be in your way for a minute. Oh, that's hot. Alright, spread it out. My second tray is a bit smaller, so I'm just going to put a bit more in here. You want to get it reasonably flat. Not like, you know, full on, but I can put a little bit more in there. And then get your second tray and do the same thing pretty quickly. And here's my second tray. Now I've only got a small oven, so I'm going to have to do 1 tray at a time. If you've got a big oven, you can whack 2 in. So I'll put the big tray in first. So you've got to cook it for 15 minutes. And as soon as it comes out, I'll whack the other one in for 15 minutes. Oh mate, it smells like Christmas in here. Oh, it's awesome. Look at this. Alright, we wanted that beautiful dark golden brown. How awesome is that? Okay, now we leave it settle aside until it goes completely cold. Whack the other one in. Now it's completely cold. You want to just pull it all apart like that. And just break it into bits. I had to stop stuff in my face long enough to talk to you. There you have it, my friends. Gingerbread popcorn. Oi, it'll be an absolute smash at Christmas. It is so tasty and moreish. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day. And I will be back next with a rum and raisin slice. Bye.